Alright, just went to my local card store and I picked up a box of 0910 Topps Jumbo Basketball. Got it for a pretty good deal. It's probably one of my first ever somewhat high-end box breaks. So yeah, pretty excited, and let's see what I can get. I should get 3 relic cards and 1 autograph card per box. Okay. Alright, first pack. There's like 50 cards in here, and most of them are base, but probably gonna skim through that. Just see if any rookie cards are here. Oops. Johnny Flynn rookie card. Hasheem Thabeet rookie card. Jordan Hill rookie card. James Harden rookie card. Brian Jennings rookie card. Alright, now to the hits. First, draft snapshot insert of Paul Pierce. Topps Chrome card of Ben Wallace. Numbered at 999. Alright, next, game worn jersey card of Kevin Martin. Not numbered. Gold card of Iguodala, numbered at 2009. Also gold card of Douglas Roberts, Willie Green, and LaMarcus Aldridge for the PC. All numbered at 2009. Okay. Mostly base, just trying to see if any rookies are here. Okay, it's not just, alright, so hits, draft snapshot insert Penny Hardaway, Topps Chrome card of Mike Miller, numbered out of 500, gold card of Kurylenko, Dwight Howard, Tony Parker, no, Ime Udoka, sorry, and Ronnie Price. Okay, third pack. Stephen Curry rookie card, Ricky Rubio rookie card, DeMar DeRozan rookie card, Blake Griffin rookie card, Tyler Hansbrough rookie card, Gerald Henderson rookie card, Terrence Williams rookie card. Alright, draft snapshot insert of Ralph Sampson, Topps Chrome card of Mike Bibby, numbered at 999, gold card of Von Wafer, Brandon Rush, Troy Murphy, and Marty Collins. Checklist on the back, so that's something special. A lot of base cards to go through. Usually I would skip this, but Just looking for the rookies. Shouldn't take too long. Alright. Draft snapshot insert of Scottie Pippen. Chrome card of Danny Granger. Numbered at 99 or 999. Gold card of Gasol. Travis Outlaw. Harrington. And Rashard Lewis. Okay. Oops. Rookie card of Jrue Holiday. Rookie card of Tyreke Evans. Rookie card of Earl Clark. Alright. Draft snapshot insert of Shaquille O'Neal. Topps Chrome card of Blake Griffin. Numbered out of 500. Topps Chrome Refractor. Nice. And a nice dual jersey All-Star Game relic of Amari Stoudemire. Numbered out of 199. And gold cards of Brandon Wright, Kevin Garnett, Marquise Daniels, and Bobby Jackson. Okay. Sorry, I got a stack of base on the other side. Kind of falling apart. Okay. Draft snapshot insert of Tim Duncan. Chrome card of J.R. Smith. Numbered out of 999. The auto is Rashad McCants jersey auto. Kings. That's numbered at 299. And gold cards of Rodney Stuckey, Jared Bayless, Josh Smith, and Mario Chalmers. I'm running out of time here, so I'm probably just gonna not go through the base like I usually do. Just go to the hits. Okay. Draft snapshot insert of Steve Nash. Chrome card of Troy Murphy, numbered at 999. Ooh, a patch. Nice. Patch card of Andre Kirilenko. Nice. Numbered out of 50. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. 50. Gold cards of Parker, Carl Landry, Richard Hamilton, and Trevor Ariza. Alright, just get through the base real quick. Alright, insert Tracy McGrady, draft snapshot. Topps Chrome card of Jason Kidd, refractor, numbered out of 500. Jersey card of Jamal Crawford, not numbered. And gold cards of Luke Rinauer, Terrence Williams, Andres Nocioni, and Keith Bogans. I guess I have to stop the video since I'm close to 10 minutes. I'll do a part 2 video of the last 2 packs and a recap video. Just so you know what hits I got. You don't have to go through the whole video as much. Alright, peace.